Eviction. Most tenants who rent from private landlords in Wales have assured short-hold tenancies, or ASTs. If you are an AST in Wales and being evicted, get advice as soon as you can. It's important to know that you have certain rights. If your landlord wants to evict you, they will have to follow 3 steps. Step 1. Notice. Your landlord first has to give you notice. The most common type of eviction notice is a Section 21 notice. To be legally correct, this must be in writing and give you at least 2 months' notice. Your landlord doesn't need a reason to evict you, but before giving you notice, your landlord must have 1. Correctly protected any deposit you've paid in an approved tenancy deposit scheme, and 2. Registered with Rent Smart Wales and obtained or applied for any necessary licence. Step 2. Court. If you stay in the property beyond the 2 months' notice, your landlord must apply to court to get a possession order. They might use what's called an accelerated procedure to do this, meaning they might not need a court hearing. In other cases, there will be a hearing and you'll be told by the court when this is. Always check the papers you get from the court and go to any court hearing. Let them know if you think your landlord hasn't given you correct notice, or if you need more time to move out. A possession order usually gives you 14 days. Sometimes the court might give you more time, but never more than 6 weeks. You'll still have to pay rent during the court case, and possibly court costs too. Step 3. Bailiff. If you stay in the property after the date in the court order, your landlord can ask the court to send a bailiff to evict you. You'll be sent a warrant of eviction, which will tell you the date and time the bailiff is coming. The bailiff can remove you and your belongings from the property. If you are being evicted, don't panic or bury your head in the sand. Get advice as soon as you can. Call Shelter Cymru's Expert Housing Advice Line 0345 075 5005 or visit our website www.sheltercymru.org.uk/getadvice.